Let's make product manipulation. Make gradient background with 3 shades. Bring product in PNG and adjust it. Bring Choco Crush and apply color balance on it. Now bring Chocolate Splash and apply color balance on it. Make copy of splash and place behind product and apply mask dot to remove some parts. Clip new layer to splash and brush with dark shade. Clip new layer to product and brush with black to give shadow effect. Adjust all layers at once. Bring nuts in PNG and adjust on different places. Take new layer on background and brush with light shade. Thank you for watching.